quick disclaimer before I begin with the video, jailbreaking a console will void its warranty, so make sure you have a console that's not under warranty to prevent this. With that out of the way, this is going to be the easiest tutorial to jailbreak your PS5, as it literally takes less than 2 minutes to execute this jailbreak and install the payload onto your console. And some of the most useful things you can do with this jailbreak are run games that are otherwise capped at 60 FPS at a full 120 FPS without any lag or stutters. The PS5 is capable of running many games at much higher frame rates, but due to Sony's extremely tight regulations, most of these games are capped at either 60 or even 30 FPS. The most noticeable difference here is of course in Red Dead Redemption 2. If you've ever played Red Dead on PC, you'll know how much you'd hate playing it on PS5 afterward. Other things you can do include playing PC games or even storing games on a flash drive. Jailbreaking could be actually really fun if you know what you're doing. I'll share details about the required system software version for downloading this payload onto your PS5 in the description box, so make sure you do go through that. Now before you begin, you need to start by turning off automatic updates before you even connect to the internet in order to prevent your PS from upgrading any software versions. And to start with downloading this jailbreak on your PS5, you need to access the web browser on your PS5. But as you may already know, there is no native web browsing on your PS5. However, there is a workaround that you can use. So in order to access your web browser, head on over to Settings, Guide and Tips, select User's Guide, and essentially just follow the instructions on the screen. Click on this little link right here. Once you're on PlayStation support page, select Account and Security, then select Security and Privacy. Click right here, then select Privacy Settings for Children. Scroll down and navigate to Account Management, and that will take you to your PlayStation sign-in page. But you just want to close this window, and that's going to take you to the official PlayStation website. And then you're going to scroll all the way down until you find the YouTube icon. And then again, you're going to click on sign in, which is then going to bring you to Google sign in page, where you want to click on privacy, then scroll all the way down. I know this is a super convoluted method, but this seems to be one of the only ones that actually work. Now at the bottom of the page, you're gonna get an option to choose Google, and that will take you straight to Google search page. And you can pretty much access any website from here on. So if you wanna jailbreak your PS5, find a site that hosts the payload for the jailbreak. And then jailbreaking your PS5 from this point on is as simple as just pressing or clicking on the jailbreak button. Once your jailbreak is successful, this is what you should see on your screen. Now, the next step is to download ETA-hen payload, and that's the main jailbreak payload for the PS5. And that's essentially going to install the debug settings on your PS5, which I'm going to show you guys in a second. But bear in mind, your PS5 could crash while you're trying to install the payload, but there's nothing to worry about. All you need to do is just restart your PS5 and you're good to go again, but if you follow all the steps. Once ETA-hen is installed, if we head over to settings, we're going to see the debug settings option, and under debug settings, we've got the package installer. Now I'm going to make a separate video on how to get the homebrew store as well, and then you're going to be able to do all the cool stuff with your PS5 once you get the homebrew store, like having a custom game menu like this one. This particular app is called the Easy Flow. You can also do a whole bunch of other things with this jailbreak, and I'm going to make a separate video for all of that. With that said, let me know if this works for you. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.